What if I told you that the real reason your body feels weaker, stiffer, and older after 50 has nothing to do with your age at all, and everything to do with poor circulation? A silent daily habit no one ever warned you about that slowly reduces oxygen to your muscles, brain, and joints, causing fatigue, cold hands and feet, slower healing, and making your face posture and energy age faster than time itself, even though the calendar says you shouldn't feel this old yet. Most men over 50 feel tired all the time, heavy in their legs, and unsteady while walking. Even though doctors say their reports look normal, their tests come back fine, and they're told it's just part of getting older. Yet deep inside they know something isn't right, because everyday movements now take more effort. Balance feels weaker, and their body no longer responds the way it used to. They're told this is just normal aging, as if feeling weaker, slower, and less stable is unavoidable, as if losing circulation, balance, and strength is the natural price of getting older, when in reality, that belief quietly convinces men to stop fighting back, stop moving with purpose, and accept decline that was never truly inevitable in the first place. Here's the big truth. Most men never hear the body does not respond to motivation. It responds to signals. And when your daily habits send weak signals, long sitting, shallow movement, poor blood flow, your body adapts by becoming weaker and older. But the moment you send strong signals through simple circulation-boosting movements, controlled tension, and intentional walking, your body starts restoring flow, stability, and energy, no matter what age is written on your birth certificate. As we age, blood flow naturally starts to decline, meaning oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, brain, and organs more slowly, while the production of nitric oxide, the molecule that keeps your blood vessels flexible and pumping efficiently, drops, making circulation sluggish. Add in the gradual slowdown of hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, and your muscles struggle to get the oxygen they need, leaving you weaker, more fatigued, and feeling years older than your actual age, even though you've done nothing wrong. The biggest damage isn't age, it's what men do every single day without realizing it. Sitting for hours, shrinking circulation, tossing and turning in poor sleep that steals recovery, carrying stress that tightens vessels and slows blood flow, and doing the wrong workouts that burn energy but fail to restore strength. These hidden habits quietly accelerate aging, making you feel older, weaker, and less capable long before your time. Most men fail after 50 because they blindly copy 25-year-old workout programs that their bodies can no longer handle, push themselves to overtrain one day and then quit the next, and completely ignore recovery, the very phase where muscles rebuild. Circulation improves and energy restores, so instead of gaining strength and vitality, they end up fatigued, frustrated, and trapped in a cycle that speeds up aging rather than slowing it down. Here's the core principle. Every man over 50 must understand where blood doesn't flow, strength doesn't grow. Without proper circulation, your muscles, joints, and organs can't get the oxygen and nutrients they need. And no amount of effort or motivation will change. That's so every step, every movement, every habit that restores blood flow is not just exercise. It's the lifeline that rebuilds your strength, energy, and youth from the inside out. The first solution is simple but powerful: movement. Start with daily walking and functional movements that mimic real-life activities: reaching, twisting, carrying, bending, because these restore circulation, wake up muscles, and improve balance. The key isn't hours in the gym or lifting heavy weights. It's consistent, purposeful movement every single day that sends the right signals to your body, keeping blood flowing and strength growing no matter your age. The second solution is a simple, natural support that works with your body instead of forcing it: a daily combination of circulation-boosting foods, light nitric oxide-enhancing supplements, and small habits like deep breathing or brief mobility breaks. Together, this trio nourishes your muscles, opens blood vessels, and primes your body to absorb oxygen and nutrients efficiently, so you feel stronger, more energized, and younger without grueling workouts or extreme diets. Here's how it all works together. Movement and natural support create a synergy that amplifies results. Functional exercises and daily habits send strong signals, while circulation-boosting foods and supplements feed your muscles and vessels. This isn't a magic pill. It's a support system your body actually responds to, repairing, restoring, and strengthening from the inside out. So each small action compounds over time into real energy, stability, and youthful vitality. Imagine waking up refreshed after deep, uninterrupted sleep, moving through your day with steady energy, your muscles responding easily, balance and strength returning, and confidence radiating in everything you do, turning simple daily habits into a life where your body feels decades younger. Every movement feels effortless, and you finally reclaim the vitality and freedom you thought was gone forever. Aging isn't decline, it's adaptation, and the power to steer it is in your hands. Every step you take, every movement you make, every habit you adopt sends signals that reshape your body, restore circulation, and rebuild strength. You're not a passive victim of time, you're the one who decides how strong, energetic, and youthful your next decade will feel. Your best years aren't behind you, they're built from the choices you make today. Start moving, restore your circulation, and support your body naturally, because every small action compounds into strength, energy, and vitality. If you're ready to take control of aging and feel decades younger, comment below with where you're watching from, hit like, and subscribe for more life-changing tips, because the power to change your body and your future is in your hands.